guys. Um, so this is my very first YouTube video. My name is C.J. Yeah, C.J. I already know from Orlando, Florida. Hold up, you know this dog. They come playing with it. Not fuck you up. I keep thinking I'm playing. Yeah, but this is my first video from the 305 Miami though. Y'all can't see my full room, but it ain't clean, so you don't gotta know all of that. But yeah, I just want I'm interested in starting a channel though, and yeah, like I feel like I just need the equipment, but a nigga broke. But you gotta start somewhere, right? So this channel I want to talk about like my life, introducing myself, helping others who need advice or who's depressed and needs someone to like help them out. So the first part will be something that happened in my day. The second part will be if you guys want, you guys send me emails and then I'm answering some of y'all like advice seekers and things like that. But y'all don't have to. I'll put the email in the description if you want. But we gotta start somewhere. So yeah, my name is CJ. Y'all ain't gotta know the whole government shit. You feel me? You thought like you, yeah. My name is CJ though. Born and raised in Miami, like I said though. Haitian parents, so I'm Haitian. Suck by say all my old what it do to people I know. Like let me like that too, but Asian parents, born in Miami, 24 years old, moved out here in Orlando after 2 years at UCF. So I did, yeah. So after 2 years at UCF, I basically like, what I'm saying, bro, I'm tripping. I did 2 years at Miami-Dade College. I got my AA at Miami-Dade College. Then I moved here January 2016. So I moved here and transferred to UCF. And then when I transferred to UCF, then basically then we talking about like me getting my final 2 years of college, and I just finished last month. Congratulations, me. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. So yeah. So but yeah. So yeah. So I moved out here, graduated last month, and it was a struggle. Let me tell y'all something. But you gotta start somewhere, man. You gotta like be able to go through shit to have testimonies. And that's when you get more thankful when you have the testimony. Because at first you're going to be like, nah, bruh, I don't know about this. I don't know about that. But you got to get somewhere to get it. And yeah, like born in Miami, born and raised in Miami, Haitian parents, got an older brother, got a younger sister. Um, yeah, that dog still think I'm playing with it. Like, I'm telling you, it just, all right. Like, only if y'all saw what was happening. Like, all right, yeah, but 24, born on September. Shout out to all my Libras though, Libra gang. What they do though? What they do? Y'all don't know all about. We is all about us. Like I don't know all about what the other people talking about and shit. But if that's y'all. That's y'all. But shout out to all the Libras though. Yeah, and on this channel, like this is my intro. So every day I will be talking about like my life, giving you an introduction from the beginning. In the beginning, there was like, but give y'all something from the beginning and give y'all a story every day of like the timeline of my life. Then the second half of my channel will be some of you guys emailing me advice and what's going on in y'all life. And if y'all want me to share y'all story, we'll share that and I'll give my viewpoint on what's next. The third half will be like we'll discuss like a global topic that's happening now. Like it don't have to be that. Growing up in Miami, you gotta know different places. There's Lil Haiti. There's no Miami, no joke. Like Orlando, I know people thinking about People think about Disney World. That's what we grew up on down south, like in Miami. Like we think of Orlando, first thing we think about is Disney World. But once you saw Orlando like in the top ranks for highest violence, I was like, what? We all like Orlando, Disney World, see, like Sea World, bro. We talking about Magic Kingdom, Orlando? Nah, nah. Yeah, but when you come out here and you see Orlando, no joke. But Miami still got more. Like, I'm not trying to brag about violence and shit, but I'm just saying you can't compare. You get me? It's like NBA G League. Like you there, but you ain't there. Like Orlando, we got that. There's Pine Hills. There's like if you go west, you enter into territories of danger and shit like that. Miami, we got Little Haiti, North Miami, Carroll City, Overtown, Liberty City. Like, bro, like I'm not trying to brag about the bad place, but I'm just saying it's a difference, though. It's a difference, and it's like, yeah. So I grew up in the Little Haiti parts. I lived in North Miami. Like, we lived in those places, and growing up, it was tough. Like, you had my mom and dad was always here. My dad was always like there and shit like that. But you always got like a favorite. Like, my mom was my favorite and shit like that. And being born in Haiti, like you had to learn Creole. Household is Creole, and then brother and sister is English. So Creole English. Knowing two languages is good. I know some French too. Comment ça va? Ça va bien toi? Ça va comme ci comme ça? Merci. Comment vas-tu? So I want to visit France one day, but now I'm broke. Like, yeah, y'all got no money, shit. But that dog, I'm telling y'all, bruh, that dog think I'm playing. Okay, we ain't gonna. All right, but that dog, though. But yeah, like, I'm gonna continue it. I just want to do my first video, and yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Yeah, how you close this shit?